up, Crown Vic Crew? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful day out today, and you guys are probably wondering, before I even start this video, Notorious, you said you were going to upload every 2 to 3 days. Why has it been almost a week? I can explain. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you guys know that the weather has been horrible the past couple of days, and I've also been working on getting the t-shirts up and ready, available for you guys, and I'm happy to say that I finally got the t-shirts up and ready. So if you guys want to go check out the t-shirts, the link will be down in the description, as well as on the About Me tab over here on my YouTube page. I have the design of the t-shirt on my Instagram page if you guys want to go check it out. But yeah, t-shirts are finally available. I'll have more available towards the end of the week. The t-shirts will be available for 7 days. The shirt I had yesterday is only available for 6 days now, so make sure you guys go and grab them. Obviously, if the sales do good, if everything goes good, I'll renew them. But yeah, go check out the t-shirts. I think you guys really enjoy them and like them, so yeah, let's get started. But yeah, that's why I haven't uploaded a video in so long, so I apologize. The weather and just getting all these t-shirts have just been messing up my schedule. But anyway, as you guys can see by the title, we're going to be talking about how to make your Crown Vic look more aggressive. But the main point in the video is the hubcaps are coming off. We're putting the Steelies back on. It's a nice day. I'm just not feeling the hubcaps anymore. Not that I don't like the hubcaps, it's just I want to put the Steelies back on, so I'm going to take those off in a bit. Great. I really wanted to repaint them. That's why I had the hubs on. I was going to keep them on until the summertime, so that way I could properly take them off and repaint them, because it looks like they might need a repaint. I'm not sure if you guys can see. They're a bit dull. But I'm also going to go over where to get a push bar, because a lot of people, you know, for me anyway, having a push bar in a Crown Vic is definitely a lot more aggressive looking, and a lot of people always ask me, where do you get this? Where did you get this? Well, this one came with my car, but I'll let you guys know where you guys can get this, the cheapest one, you know, what model this is and all that stuff. But as of right now, I'm going to go get the tools to take these bad boys off, and let's put the Steelies back on. Okay, so I'm not sure how this is going to look, so I've got some tire foam. We're going to clean up the tires a little bit, and I got just regular water, so we're going to clean up the Steelies as much as possible. I did want to paint my brake calipers red like I mentioned before, but apparently it's still too cold for that. The paint won't really stick. It is a beautiful day out, but don't let that fool you. It's still like 38 degrees or something like that, so it's not the warmest, but to swap out the hubcaps for the Steelies, you know, obviously it's not too cold for that, so I'm going to clean these up. Hopefully they don't look too bad underneath, because last time I had my Steelies was before the couple snowstorms we had, so I'm not sure if the salt got to it, and it looks, I mean, it looks a little faded to me, but we'll see here in a minute. So there they are. Not too bad. Just a little dirty, to be honest with you. All you got to do is put some water on it. I have some rim shine as well. I'll put on there. Just wash it off, wipe it off a little bit, but that looks so much more aggressive in my opinion. I know I like both of them. Like I've always said, I think the hubcaps give the Crown Vic a more professional look, but the Steelies just give it such more of an aggressive look. I don't know. Let me know what you guys like down below. I've put a voting poll over on Instagram before. What do you guys like, the hubcaps or the Steelies? The Steelies won by a lot. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the hubcaps better or the Steelies? The Steelies definitely make it more aggressive. I don't care what anybody says, but let's clean this one up. I got the center caps in my trunk, and then yeah, we'll see how actually I should probably show you guys this side one more time before. That's what it looks like with the hubcaps on. Hubcaps are not bad, but you know, it's always good to change. That's also what I like about the Crown Vic as well. It's so easy just to change up the look of it. Like this will literally just take me like 10 minutes to do, and it just gives the Vic a whole different style. So that's what I love about these cars. They're really easy to switch up all the time and give it a new look without really doing much to it. Alright guys, so I just prepped the first wheel and rim. I got the special, whatever you guys want to call it, going on the rim to clean it up a bit. As you guys can see, it was filthy. So yeah, I'm going to do this treatment to the rest of them. If you guys ever wonder what I use for my tires, it's this right here, Armor All tire foam. Works great. Doesn't last that long. I'd say it lasts about, I don't know, depending on, you know, where your driving is. Like if you're driving through mud and dirt and stuff, obviously it's going to wear off a lot faster than if you're just driving on a regular road, but it works pretty good. It makes your tires literally look brand spanking new, like they just came out of the factory. So we're going to let that sit. I'm going to wash up my hubs as well. So as you guys can see, they're dirty too, so I mean, who knows, I might want to just swap out the Steelies again and put these on. So, and gonna wash them up, prep these, and definitely put them somewhere where they're not gonna get scratched. As you guys can see, I put a lot of scratches in it over last summer because I just threw them in my trunk, which was very stupid of me. Alright guys, here's the first one. Came out amazing as always. This stuff does not fail to work. So as you guys can see, put the tire shine on, then I put the rim shiner, whatever you want to call it, on. It literally looks like I just repainted it, so holy crap. Looks brand spanking new as opposed to this. So yeah, this is just literally about 1 month with the hubcaps on and snow and everything just getting trapped in here. I honestly didn't believe all you guys that said snow and dirt gets trapped in it because I just didn't think it would get trapped, you know what I mean? If anything, I would think it would preserve it a little bit more because the hubcap covers the whole entire rim, so I thought it'd preserve it more, but you guys were right. I mean, look at that. That is just disgusting. That is worse than it ever was. So, got a long way to go. That rim right there probably took me about 5 minutes to prep. Yeah, we're going to get to the rest of the video. I know you guys are probably like, well, how do I make my Vic more aggressive? Where do I get a push bar? So, we're going to get to that. Obviously, the main step and point of this video was me putting back the Steelies, which is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to make your Crown Vic look aggressive. Just, I'm not saying I don't like hubcaps, I'm just saying the Steelies look so much more aggressive. Just the black rims and just the black trim just make it look so much more like in your face. But anyway, I'm going to shut up talking now. Let's get the rest of these on. My trunk is a little bit of a mess. I need one of those trunk packs or trunk organizers or something like that. I just have so much stuff. I got wiring, extra pucks in there, lights in there, mirrors. Not lights as in strobe lights, as in side markers. I got my original lights that came in my car, my 60-watt horn, all my cleaning supplies, drinks, basketball if I'm bored, antennas that I'm never going to use again. Who knows? Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Maybe I will do a giveaway. Who knows? If you guys want a giveaway on these antennas, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll see. Because these are literally just gonna sit in here. I got 4 of them. So yeah, I put my hubcaps this way this time, so now they're not going to scratch up, rub up against each other, and then I'm going to go inside, get some towels, and wrap those up so they don't get scratched or anything like that. But let's see the official reveal. Alright, so there you guys have it. Holy crap. Hasn't been that long since I didn't have the Steelies on, but it just changes the whole look of the Vic. That's why I love these cars. It's so easy to switch up. Literally took me, well, it took me a little bit longer because I had to prep the wheels, shine them up a little bit, but give it a whole new overall look. And in my opinion, this look right here is the most aggressive that you can get on a Crown Vic. So that's step one, number one right there. How to make your Crown Vic more aggressive? Get Steelies. All right, guys, so let's jump down here to the wheels, to the Steelies. One of the main questions I get asked a lot is, where did you get the center caps? Obviously, Steelies without the center caps just look plain weird and ugly. So I did not get these online. My buddy actually got these online on eBay for 40 bucks, and then he sold them to me for 20 bucks. So that's how I got them. But you guys can find these. Honestly, in my opinion, the best place to find any, Crown Vic, stuff or ex-cop car stuff, whatever, is eBay. There's a ton of sellers that, have these. They go to junkyards and they just put them on eBay for sale. So if you guys are looking for center caps, spotlights, anything, eBay is your best bet. I'll try to have links down below, but honestly, it's pretty much up to you. You just got to go on eBay and search them. They're called Crown Vic center caps or Steely center caps, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, they're usually on eBay for around 40 bucks. They're not too expensive. I've even seen some people paint these black, which actually look not too bad, but I just like the traditional style. I like the chrome in the center. Who knows, maybe if I get a second set, I'll paint them black and see how they look. Moving on to the front, another main question I get is, where did you get your push bar? Push bar actually came with my car, but these are extremely easy to find. Literally all you guys need to do is go on Google and type in Crown Vic push bar. It's literally that simple. Some people think it's like you go to this magical website that you need to put a magical code to find these things. What? They're really easy to find, guys. I mean, eBay has these. The cheapest I've seen, if you guys are looking for a push bar with brackets, you're going to look around $250 to around $350 for the cheapest model. I've seen a brand new one. It was off-brand, so it didn't have any stickers on it, but it was technically one of these. It's a Go Rhino, and it was $200. And I believe it came with the brackets as well. So, and literally, I can't provide the link because I just searched it up on Google. That's how I find it. So, if you guys want push bars, honestly, Google Just search it up, eBay. I even seen these at Walmart, believe it or not. Yes, on the Walmart warehouse they have these, so you guys can order at the Walmart warehouse and send it to your local Walmart. So you guys got to be, you guys would be surprised. You just got to, you know, look around a little bit. So yeah, push bars. I mean, just look them up on eBay, Google, Amazon. They all have them, very, very cheap. I mean, if you want to get, you know, the higher end ones, the Teenies, you're gonna be looking around $400 or $500 with the built-in lights and stuff like that, crazy. But if you just want a normal regular push bar with brackets, you're looking anywhere around $250. Like I said again, $200 to about like $350 for like the cheapest one, which isn't bad. Next question I get asked a lot is, where did you get your spotlight? Again, my spotlight came with my car. If you guys do want a spotlight, please make sure you have the actually insert for it. If you guys are gonna sit here and ask me how to, you know, do this, I have no idea. This is already came with my car. But if you guys are looking for spotlights, the full kit I've seen on eBay, you know, so you got the light, you know, the shaft, whatever you want to call it, the whole kit for around $60 on eBay. Obviously you won't get a yellow light like mine, you'll get a nice clear one, but yeah, $60 on eBay. I mean, and those things right there will make your Crown Vic look a lot more aggressive. So you got the Steelies. If you already got Steelies with center caps, boom, throw them on. If you want a push bar, like I said again, $200, not too expensive, it's not going to break your wallet. And then obviously a spotlight, $60. I think that makes it look so much more aggressive. I think just the black overall makes it look so much more aggressive. If you guys do have a civilian Crown Vic and you guys like these rims instead, the Steelies, they're actually not that expensive either. Personally, I've never seen these online. I've never actually looked for these online, but I'm pretty sure they do have them. But I've seen these at junkyards for the whole set, rims and tires, like $150 for all four. So junkyards are insanely cheap. If you guys are wanting the Steelies, which in my opinion look really, really badass, yeah, you guys go to your local junkyard. They probably have them just chilling there and junked Crown Vic or something. Go take them off. They shouldn't be that expensive. Junkyards really don't charge that much for, you know, their stuff. But yeah. The next step, we're probably going to go into the higher tier, I guess you can say, which is like the smoked headlights and stuff, which you guys are probably thinking, oh, that must be a lot of money. Not really. I was personally thinking about getting, I think it was like 35% smoked headlights or something like that. So they weren't too dark, but it gave, so the lens was still clear, but as you guys can see, the inside was like, it had black accents, as well as the inside had black accents. So the lens itself is clear, but the inside had black accents. For the whole set, so for these two and those two were $60 for smoked out headlights, and I think it looked pretty cool. I was thinking about getting that to give the whole car of, you know, two-tone of black and white. I think it would look really, really cool. And then the last thing, personally, I think so much more aggressive, back here, your exhausts. As I mentioned in the summer, last summer I was getting exhausts, obviously. I was going to buy them myself, but my dad said he'd help me buy them. So this summer, hopefully, it'll go into a shop and we're going to get a nice pair of exhausts, dual exhausts. I believe he said he's getting me MagnaFlows. I'm not sure what it was again. But the reason why I say these cars sound amazing with exhausts, because this has the same engine as the Mustang. So you hear Mustangs, they sound so badass. This car does not sound any different. You put exhaust on this car, it will literally sound like the Mustang GT. It's amazing. And that's why you guys hear sometimes they call this the poor man's Cobra or the four-door Mustang, because it's literally have the same engine as the Mustang. So when you throw the exhaust on there, you can't tell any difference whatsoever. So like I said again, I'll be getting the exhausts hopefully this summer. I can't wait for them. I know some people say I shouldn't have got it, it kills the originality of the car, but honestly guys, once you guys hear it, you guys will be like, holy crap, I want that in my car. And good exhaust system would probably run you around $350. I think the one that my dad was looking at was like around $350, I believe, unless I was just completely wrong. But holy crap, as you guys can see, my paint's already starting to chip over here. Luckily my car was all white, so if it chips, it's just like a plainer white. So, but yeah, also you guys can get, you know, smoked out taillights as well. I've seen smoked out taillights, $40 for the pair, if you want to go that crazy, you know. Obviously tint your windows as well. I think it just makes it look, this whole setup right here, in my opinion, makes the Crown Vic look so much more aggressive. So you got the black Steelies, you got the whole black accents with the car. And this is not just for white Crown Vics, obviously. Obviously black Crown Vics look cool, all blacked out, gray Crown Vics. It's just, this setup right here I think is the best, most aggressive look you can go for. So obviously if you have lights too, I would say put them behind the grill. That's just my personal preference. I think they look so much cooler behind the grill as well. Gives it more of a stealthy look. But yeah, I just want to throw this video out there because I haven't made a video in almost a week, and I apologize. Like I said again, busy doing the t-shirts. The weather was just really, really crappy. So I'm going to end the video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting the Steelies back on. I know a lot of you guys commented in the comments, put the Steelies back on. The hubcaps look horrible. I like the hubcaps, but I'm going to put the Steelies back on for now. I'm not feeling the hubcaps anymore. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to go to the link down below. Check out the shirts. Even if you guys don't really like Crown Vics, I'm going to be having t-shirts that are just for car people in general. I think you guys really, really enjoy it. So on that note, I'm going to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see all of you guys in the next one. It's delicious.